If you're a first-time home buyer, let me start by saying this. You're not supposed to know all of this yet. Buying your first home comes with a lot of new terms, especially when it comes to loans. And my goal today is to help make that part feel clear and a lot less intimidating. There are loan programs designed specifically for first-time buyers, and understanding them can help you feel confident instead of overwhelmed. So let's start with FHA loans, because these are one of the most common programs for first-time buyers. FHA loans are known for allowing lower down payments and more flexible credit requirements. They're often a great fit for buyers who have a steady income but maybe haven't built a long-term credit history yet. The U.S. Department of Housing and Urban Development, or HUD, puts it this way. FHA loans were created to make home ownership more accessible for buyers with limited savings or less than perfect credit. Just know that FHA loans do include mortgage insurance, which affects your monthly payment, but for many buyers, this program opens the door to home ownership sooner than they expected. Next up are conventional loans. A lot of first-time buyers assume these require 20% down, but that is not always true. There are first-time buyer programs through Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac that allow down payments as low as 3% with reduced mortgage insurance and built-in education to help buyers succeed. Freddie Mac explains it this way. Our Home Possible mortgage helps low to moderate income borrowers achieve home ownership with flexible funding sources and low down payment options. If you have stronger credit, this can be a great long-term option. Okay, next up, if you're a veteran, active duty service member, or qualifying spouse, VA loans are one of the most powerful programs available. These loans often require no down payment, don't include mortgage insurance, and often offer very competitive interest rates. According to the Department of Veteran Affairs, VA home loans help veterans and service members become homeowners by providing favorable loan terms. If you're eligible, this is absolutely a conversation worth having. And lastly, USDA loans are another option for first-time home buyers that they may not even know they qualify for. These loans are designed for rural and suburban areas, and often those areas are much broader than people expect. The U.S. Department of Agriculture states USDA loans promote home ownership by providing affordable financing to eligible rural areas. They can offer zero down payment, lower mortgage interest costs, which can be a big win for buyers open to location flexibility, and that's the key. On top of these loan programs, many buyers qualify for down payment assistance or first-time home buyer grants at the state or local level. HUD notes that state and local governments often offer assistance programs to help first-time homebuyers with down payments and closing costs. These programs can significantly reduce how much cash you need up front, but you have to know where to look. So here's the most important part, where to begin. It all starts by contacting your local banker or mortgage lender to understand the price range you should be considering. Early on, you'll complete a short financial questionnaire so the lender can issue a pre-approval letter. And this is something I really want first-time buyers to hear. This process typically uses a soft pull on your credit, which does not affect your credit score. What it does do is give the lender just enough information to help you understand how much you want to spend on a home, not just what you could spend. Staying within a clear, comfortable budget creates confidence, reduces stress, and allows you to enjoy your first home purchase instead of worrying about every financial decision. As Freddie Mac says, home ownership remains one of the most effective ways for families to build long-term financial stability. So, with the right loan, and the right lender and the right guidance, buying your first home doesn't have to feel overwhelming. It can actually feel exciting and empowering. If you're thinking about buying your first home and want help understanding your options, let's start a conversation. Education is always the best first step. I'm Andy Helton with John Jones Real Estate. Give me a call at 615-542-1290 and let's start that conversation.